Dahan-dahan umanong bumababa ang kalidad ng edukasyon sa Pilipinas.
Ganyan daw ang mga Pilipino
Nag-aaral sa ngayon ayon po sa Philippine Statistics Authority.
School supplies. Some live too far from classrooms, while others are forced to work instead of study. These challenges remind us that access to education is still not equal, and that we must raise our voices for those who are unheard.
As we end this video, we hope you see that education is not just a need, it is a right. Every child deserves the chance to learn, to dream, and to achieve their full potential. Thank you for watching, and we hope our message inspires you to take action, to care, and to believe in a future where there is truly education for all. This has been our advocacy, and we say goodbye for now. But remember, change begins with us. Thank you.